Hi guys and welcome to Revamply review. Revamply is truly, in my opinion, one of a kind page editor. So it's not a page builder per se, but technically you can take any page on the internet, whether it's yours or somebody else's, and edit it absolutely any way you like. I'm going to show you the editor right now. This is the dashboard. Once you log in into Revamply, I have some pages over here made, but I'm going to add a new website over here. So you just add a title here. Let's name this one. I think this will be like the sales page. Edit, just name it, and then you just copy paste the URL over here like that, and you just click the button, start revamping, and then you open the site editor. So this is the editor right now that's loading. Okay, so the first thing to notice is that you can select any of these elements and drag it absolutely anywhere you want. So you click once, you get this editing box over here, and if you click twice, you get a different editing box, which is like a word editor where you change, the font size, the color of the text, the color of the background, and you can of course center it or align it any way you like. You can add a link and bold, italic, or underline it. Okay, so you can select this and drag it anywhere, absolutely anywhere on the site. There is a feature coming that will allow you to center this regarding left to right, so you can center it in the middle of the screen, which is cool because everything will be aligned symmetrically like that, and this goes for any element. Okay, so if you click once on the element, you get this window where you can change the style, you can change the background color, you can upload your background image, the background size, background position, font style, border style, and so on, and you can animate it over here, and you have some cool animations. Let's say I pick this rubber band one, and over here you can have an animation loop. That means that it will repeat every interval that you set it here, and I will set it on 2 seconds just to show you. Okay, and of course you can hide the element, duplicate it, and delete it. This is the HTML tab that I have absolutely no idea what that does, and the parents tab, and even less that. But you won't have to worry about that. I guess coders know what that means. So I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, so let's say I want to make some room for like a video over here. So I can just select this entire section over here and just drag it down. Okay, I'm gonna have to drag it down some more. So I'm just gonna scroll down a bit. Oh, look at those famous faces over here! Wow, yeah, look at that hairstyle, awesome. Okay, so I click here, and then I'm gonna drag it some more to make room for a video. Let's say I'm gonna put the video over here. This is the video element, which is fantastic. You have some mockups over here down for you. I'm gonna select this as, I believe, like a tablet, iPad, something, I don't know. So I'm gonna put that over there. What I want to do? Oh yeah, I want to resize it a bit. So gonna grab it over here. Boom. I think the key is to remove these. Whoops. Okay. I do have to get used to it a little bit. Never done this before because it never existed before. Okay, select the element, drag it down. There we go. Alright, let's put it over here. And let's say you just enter your, of course, YouTube URL over here. You can set it to autoplay, you can change the logo, change the color, but check this out. The player, the built-in feature, the password protections. You can password protect your videos, which is awesome. I believe there are product softwares over there that charge just for that feature, and you have it built into Revamply over here. So amazing, and nobody's even talking about this. This is just like an extra feature. You have a big play button. You can see the difference. It's live preview over here. You can set your social icons on the video over here. You can even enable your ads. Crazy stuff. Okay, of course you can change the progress bar colors, the control bar colors, and the icon colors over here. Let's change to purple here, just so you can see that that actually works. And there we go, awesome. The frame, yeah, you can change the the mockups over here, and of course you can animate it like that and put it to loop or not. Okay, and do everything else that you can do with any other element. Okay, what the heck do I want to show next? Okay, oh yeah, the countdown timer. Check this out. The countdown timer, bum 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 bum. Here we go, boom, and then you have some templates over here, and of course you can just grab it and drag and drop it. Let's say underneath here, and say this message will self-destruct in 15 seconds if you don't eat a donut or something like that. And you can change the the colors here, of course, shuba boom. Background color, yeah, okay. Change to gradient. This can be gradient as well. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, okay, I like that. And of course you can automate it. The settings over here is you can set it to a specific date, and you can change the time format over here. The year label, so you can change the the text for the labels, and the end message you can put over here, and you can of course animate it like any other element, hide, duplicate, or delete it. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is the optin form that you have over here. So you just click on add optins, and you have a sticky optins, which is cool. I'm gonna set it, I don't know, let's say on the right over here, and I don't know, I'm gonna choose this one. Just drag and drop it anywhere like that. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna go back over here, and I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna drag it up a bit. Pop, pop, pop. There we go. And this should what should this do? Just a second. What do I do now? Just a second. I don't know, I did something, but here it is. So you're scrolling down, and the optin form is following you. That means that it's a sticky optin form. I'm gonna delete it now to show you the in-page optin form. This is your regular optin form over here. So let's just drag and drop it here. It will be pretty crazy to put the put it over here, but doesn't matter. You can drag it anywhere, and of course you see it stays over here. That's the regular type optin form. Let's delete it. And the last one is the pop-up. The pop-up optin form. I mean, the only little thing this doesn't have is like a popcorn maker or something. So this will follow you around like this. Of course I have to hide this, and it will show on the entire page like this. That's cool, isn't that cool? That's cool. Okay, so let's say you edited your page the way you wanted to. You have undo redo button, you have a save button over here, and the preview button over there. And over here you can reset it, reset everything that you've done, or download it as a zip file, and then you can upload it on your on your website via cPanel or FTP. And there is an update coming that will it already has a WordPress plugin that allows you to basically edit all of your pages in WordPress via Revamply. So you can edit any page on your WordPress in Revamply. But there is an update coming that will allow you to seamlessly just upload this page or any other page to your WordPress site via this plugin, so even easier. Okay. This is the preview page that I just made. You can see that I have moved this to the center. Here's our countdown timer, and this cartoon character over here, Charlie Brown. You have page settings over here. You can change the page title, the favicon if you want. I hope I pronounced that right, not sure. The CSS, which I'm not gonna go in close. The FB pixel insertion here. The body script, I'm not gonna go into that. And you can even set it to redirect to anywhere you want, to Disneyland's page if you want, or something else. The color dropper is so crazy. I mean, you just select a color. I'm gonna choose like purple, some crazy color. And what do I do now? I think I just grab this and like put it here. Yeah, just grab it. It won't work here. It won't work here because this is like an image, but and you can change that. But let's go here, and I'm gonna grab this and put it here. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. Just change the color just like that. Okay. Oh, that looks ugly. I'm gonna undo that. Okay. I'm just gonna go over to some more rest of the elements over here. You got the buttons here. Everything that applies on any other element applies to buttons as well. The optin form, we went over that, sorry. The counter time, the headline. Okay, these are some templates over here that you can just drag and drop over here. Okay, let's go back. Social media, boom. So there's Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter, and you can drag and drop that anywhere. And you can of course edit your Facebook and all the other Twitter and Google Plus URLs. Wow, this is getting long. Okay, let's go to paragraph. If you just drag and drop paragraph, it basically means text. So you can write your stuff in there. Image, same thing. Drag and drop it. Of course, you can upload the image, animated, and all that. You can even choose the opacity, the border color, and all these settings for the borders, style, and so on. Location is cool. You can boom here. It automatically recognizes where you are at the moment. So I'm from Croatia. You can type something here. Hello from Croatia. Awesome. And of course that you will edit this to fit your style. Okay, the FB comments is cool also. I'm just dragging and dropping here randomly so you can see that it works and what it looks like. Boom. So this is the FB comments like a widget, and I'm just showing you that. And you have the user integration over here, and that's cool. Let's go back to the dashboard over here. Yeah, I want to leave. Thank you, but not forever. I'm back here. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You will have your site that you have edited over here. Bam, and you can build variations. You can A/B split test, which is an awesome feature. And from here, you can also download the page, duplicate it, delete it, and check out the analytics. And over here, we have you have here the support, request a new feature, report a bug, which is awesome. Under applications, what do we have under applications? We have Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, Constant Contact, GoToWebinar, iContact, Infusionsoft, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, PayPal, Stripe, WordPress, and Usign. Okay, so if you click WordPress, you can get the API key WordPress plugin, and you upload it to your WordPress site. Enter the activation key, bada bing, bada boom, and that's it. What does it look in the what does it look in the WordPress dashboard? You go to all pages, select one page. I'm gonna click the About Me page over here, and you have Revamply over here. It says it with Revamply, but I have already added this site previously. Right now you can you will have add to Revamply, and then the button edit Revamply will show up. Sorry, and just click here, and it will redirect you to the Revamply editor, and you can edit your site any way you want to. And here we go, boom, shakalaka. Okay, that's it for this review. Have I said everything? I think I have. Yeah, pretty sure. All right. You have your your change log over here, and you have notifications here, and that's it. I think I covered everything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.